Today we're gonna talk about a bunch of interesting add-ons that can help you create hair in Blender. These add-ons vary in their methods, but they can all achieve interesting results that can help you finish your projects. Number 7. Hair Clump. We will kick off this list with an add-on called Hair Clump. It is a tool that will allow you to control randomness in your hair shapes. It offers multiple controls based on clump's length, kink control, and other various controls, which makes it easier to create complex hair through simple guides. You can find the add-on after installing it under Particle System. To activate the controls, you have to tick the checkbox labeled Hair Clump Random, and this will reveal the add-on controls. You have 3 main sections: Virtual Parent, Hair Clump Randomness, and Hair Clump Kink. Some of the most important features of the add-on include Virtual Parents that will allow you to customize the number of clumps and their random seeds. In addition to that, you have the ability to easily control randomness values such as length, shape, noise, and curves of clumps. Furthermore, Hair Clump offers a function to export particles and distances in a limbic format with one click. Number 6. Hair Extension Toolkit. This add-on highly enhances the controllability of the hair creation process in Blender. It has so many useful features such as merging and splitting particle systems, resetting the number of steps and length of the guides. In addition to that, it offers new menus to control hair guides and record your selection and much more. Add to that the ability to apply the effect of children to the guides. This will help artists greatly improve the efficiency of hair creation workflow in Blender, which proves to be tedious and cumbersome for so many users. Hair Extension Toolkit offers a much streamlined and user-friendly approach for hair creation process. Number 5. Hair Shape Key. This is a Blender add-on that supports adding shape keys of hair, making it possible to record the transition between multiple shapes of hair-like models. You can freely switch between the different shapes, keyframe animations, and such drivable control, which makes it more controllable to create different styles of hair. The add-on supports immediate shape key for achieving various shapes, and it supports one hair shape key with multiple keys. Also, it is important to mention that one key represents one shape. The add-on is able also to support multiple hair shape keys with multiple keys. With this add-on, you can also use keyframe animation between multiple hair shapes, and you can control animations with the noise modifier in the graph editor. You can also apply the driver control of hair shapes animation. Besides, the add-on supports bone control, which helps resolve the hair shapes issue due to stretch animation. You also have the ability to re-edit the number of hair points, and you can do this with the built functions of this add-on, like delete keys, delete particles, subdivide and update added hair. In addition to that, the animation of the hair shapes can be rendered as well. Number 4. 3D Particle Brush. This is a powerful hairbrush tool. It provides artists with an easy way of grooming hairstyles in Blender. With multiple well-designed brush presets, it gives an effective solution for making varying hairstyles. The function of curves controlling hair shape makes the control of hair shape pretty convenient. Particle Brushes provides a plethora of new brushes and settings that should satisfy any use case you will ever need while creating hair in Blender. There are 13 brushes in total. Selecting one of the brushes will reveal more parameters specific to the brush you selected. Orient Brush will allow you to rotate your guides. Bend Brush and Attract Brush will help you create clamps. Also, the Noise Brush will add randomness to your guides, and you can also lock the axis you want to be affected by the noise, for example only the Z-axis. Number 3. HairNet. HairNet is a free add-on that will allow you to create hair particle systems through simple meshes to define the basic shape of your hair. The add-on uses the edge loops of the mesh object to create your hair system. The idea is that the mesh modeling tool can be used to sculpt the general shape of the hair system more quickly than it can be done in particle mode. If a mesh plane is used as a starting point, one edge of the plane is marked as a seam. This edge will be the root from which all hair starts, and each edge loop that intersects with it will become a hair guide. Multiple meshes can be used as long as the number of vertices in each guide hair in every mesh is the same. Some of the features of the add-on include multiple hair proxies can be processed at once. Hair can be created on either a head object or on proxy mesh itself. There is a master hair system field that lets users copy the settings from an existing hair system. In addition to that, additional hairs can be generated in between mesh edges. Number 2, Kami. This is a free tool that will help you create hair in a manga or anime style. This add-on uses custom bevel profiles for curves, so you are going to need Blender 2.91 at least. You start by selecting your character and clicking the Start Drawing button, and then you will be able to draw strands of hair on your mesh. The great thing about Kami is that the workflow is not distractive. You can always go back and adjust your parameters for each strand of hair, or all of them at once. You have plenty of control, such as when the taper starts and ends, bevel mode, depth, and resolution. You can choose a fall-off curve or use one of the default presets. This is very useful to add more depth to your hair. In addition to that, you have the ability to offset the strand along its normals. Also, you can smooth strands or curves by switching to vector and use auto handles. Furthermore, you can straighten strands or curves by smoothing the control points. Also, you can choose between two modes, spike or flat. Just to clarify, spikes will create spiky hair when you start drawing perpendicular to the mesh. You can also convert your curves to meshes, and the add-on will automatically create UVs for the mesh, and much more. Number 1, Hair Tool. Hair Tool is a very powerful add-on for Blender that will allow you to generate hair cards based on 3D curves in a non-destructive way. Any 3D artist making real-time hair, I would strongly suggest looking into it whether you are a Blender user or not, as it takes pretty much all the frustration out of the process and frees you up to just focus on creativity instead. Some of the most important features it comes with include the ability to generate and groom hair ribbons based on Blender Particles hair, generate hair ribbons from guide meshes, and the ability of drawing curved hair or particle hair on mesh surfaces. It is also able to automate UVs, and random UV areas are assigned for each spline. It has UV texture preview directly on the curved ribbons, and it has the ability to easily and conveniently switch back and forth between curved ribbons and meshes while preserving UVs. Furthermore, you can adjust ribbons looks like taper and radius, right the mouse and tilt, editing profiles, and so on. With this add-on, you can also convert curves to particle hair to curved ribbons to mesh ribbons, and so on. Overall, this add-on is fantastic if you want to give it a shot. If you are interested in one of these add-ons, you can find all the necessary links in the description. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have something to add, you can leave it in the comment section below. Also, you can check some of our previous videos. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.